So, does Amazon replace packages that are stolen? You have probably watched some of the videos on YouTube and wondering, does Amazon replace packages that are stolen? So the short answer is yes. In most cases, Amazon will either refund or replace a stolen package. If your order shows as delivered on your dashboard but you did not receive it, Amazon's A to Z guarantee does cover you for that. So the key is to report the issue promptly through your account so they can investigate what happened and try to resolve it. So what you should know is Amazon's A to Z guarantee basically protects customers when packages are marked delivered but are not received. Refunds or replacements are typically offered once you report the theft, and the reporting process, basically you contact Amazon via your orders, a problem with order, didn't receive item within your dashboard. Then investigations. Amazon may actually check with the carrier and confirm delivery details before issuing a resolution. In terms of time frames, it's best to report quickly because delays can complicate claims. So just to answer the question, does Amazon replace packages that are stolen? The answer is yes. In most cases, Amazon will replace or refund stolen packages.